McAlister Architects, about 7 years ago, took a very conscious decision to move from being conventional architects to sustainable architects. And the Passive House certification was the first qualification that I personally took. Some examples of our own passive houses are, firstly, the Passive House in Crawfordsburn, which is Northern Ireland's second certified passive house. This is a family dwelling which is very energy efficient. It was also nominated an award because it was relatively cheap to build in terms of passive house design.
Passive house is basically a house that's designed in such a way that there's only very minimal energy requirements. One of the criteria, in a sense, that makes it easier to build passive is if you have a simple external design. My husband and I had visited a house in Norfolk that had a double height living room, and we really liked that idea. And because it's a passive house, there isn't a problem for heating. Usually you wouldn't consider that in a conventional build, but because the heating wasn't an issue, we could have the double height living room, which we really like. And my husband and I are definitely very happy that we've made this decision, and it really does work.
But along the way we picked up awards. We won the Craigavon Best Green Business Award. Our best award to date was the Sustainable Ireland Award for the Crest Centre in Enniskillen. The Crest Centre is particularly special because of the design criteria, which is Passive House certified, BREEAM Excellent and carbon neutral. What that actually means is that the materials within the building were all selected to be from sustainable sources. The main structure of the building is not steelwork as you would have in a conventional building, but it's all timber glulam trusses. This particular building is what we call the flagship for sustainable design, because every single design decision within it was taken in relation to sustainability criteria.